gory viscera sounds. If you take this Indian pear knife and you pair it up with a torque wrench, you get the sound of like an assault rifle. You know, you just kind of like shake it. Using lump charcoal for snow. It's got like all the cracking characteristics of ice. Pistol holster, add manicotti shells to it. You can get a really comprehensive bone break. What we'll do is we'll sometimes take this and pair it against the wood right here. So if we have these dramatic doors that have like creaks on them, Foley at its best is painting a scene with sound.